In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to underline text in Google Sheets and use a quick shortcut to save time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open your Google Sheet and select the cell or range of cells where you want to underline the text. Now, go to the top menu and click on Format. Then, hover over text and choose Underline. Instantly, your selected text will be underlined and stand out more clearly. If you want a faster way, here's the shortcut. Select your text and press Ctrl+U on Windows or Command+U on Mac. Your text will be underlined instantly without using the menu. The best part is you can press the same shortcut again to remove the underline. It works like a toggle, so it's super quick to switch on and off. You can also apply this to multiple cells at once by selecting a range before using the shortcut. And that's it. You now know how to underline text quickly and efficiently in Google Sheets. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.